Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Well, let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Bailey Lipschultz, and we're joined by managing editor for Bloomberg Markets live blog, Christine Aquino. Christine, what's top of mind?
Well, let's talk about EchoStar, shall we? That's probably one of the biggest pieces of news today, big in the M&A space. So EchoStar, ticker SATS, and those shares are up more than 17%. So pairing a little bit of the best of its performance today, but still pretty good. And that is because Elon Musk's SpaceX agreed to acquire the wireless spectrum licenses from EchoStar for about $17 billion. So that's going to give them the licenses designated for satellite and mobile communications. So this is according to a company's statement, but it is actually, or was actually reported by Bloomberg earlier. So the good thing about this deal, at least from EchoStar's perspective, is that it should keep the FCC off their backs because the regulator has accused the company of not effectively using the spectrum that it was awarded and was actually threatening to strip some of its valuable licenses. So Bloomberg Intelligence weighing in on the deal, saying that it may materially reshape the company's credit profile because it enables significant debt reduction from its $27 billion load. So that's quite a hefty load that is now being held by this deal.
Yeah, big move, though. This is a stock that is up almost 250% this year, but another stock that's rallying pretty hard today and this year, Robinhood. What's going on?
Absolutely. Robinhood, well, they're getting really good traction today. So extending those gains now up nearly 15% on the day. So Robinhood, ticker HOOD, really getting a boost today because of the news on Friday after the close saying that they have been added to the S&P 500 index. So, looking back 5 years ago, right, Robinhood was just this platform that mostly retail traders used, gained so much popularity, especially when people were sitting at home, bored during the pandemic and trying to figure out what to do with their stimulus checks. So fast forward 5 years later, now they're part of the S&P 500. And what's crucial about this is that inclusion allows them to enter the portfolios of index funds, pension plans, retirement accounts, a completely different investor base from the retail traders that are used to using the platform.
This is a stock that IPO'd at $38 right now, north of $115. Bring us on home, AppLovin.
AppLovin. So that is another stock that is getting that S&P 500 inclusion boost. So AppLovin, ticker APP. Those shares up more than 11% at the moment. So we know it's a mobile app marketing company and was also included in S&P 500. And, this is just the latest piece of good news for the company. Last month, we did see their second quarter results beating estimates. Bloomberg Intelligence also noting that their third quarter sales guidance implies 10 to 12% growth, which beats the consensus for 8% growth, and some of the features that they launched, including a self-service ad dashboard and AI-powered user acquisition tool, is really proceeding according to plan. So the latest bit of good news for AppLovin there.
AppLovin at an all-time high.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.